Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to introduce you to elements and attributes. Now elements in HTML are certain sections, and these sections, as we discussed in previous videos as well, they have some content. For example, here we have section head, and then we have section body, then we have paragraph. These are certain sections which are also called elements. Usually these sections have start tag and end tag, but we also have certain elements which are empty elements which do not have any content, like break element, br element, which is there to add an additional break to the this content of other elements. I'll discuss about BR element later on, but we have certain elements which have which do not have both start and ending tag. They only have a start tag, and otherwise other elements we have start tag and end tag like this. End tag has forward slash. That's the only difference between start tag and end tag. That end tag has a forward slash before that element name, element reference. For example, here for paragraph, P is the reference for a paragraph element, and before the in start tag it is just have P between lesser than and greater than sign. But in the end tag, the paragraph element has forward slash as well before this reference P. So similar for other elements as well. So now these are elements. Now we also have attributes. Now attributes, we can define extra information. If we want to give any extra information to elements, we can give it through these attributes. Extra information can be like in paragraph element. Here I'll discuss more about these attributes of for different elements in later videos. But here, for example, we have this title. I can give title to paragraph, and I can use this title attribute in paragraph element. Here we all always use attributes. You always include attributes in the start tag of element. Start tag of element, remember. And we can have multiple attributes given in the start tag on any element. As said earlier as well, I'll talk about attributes in detail for different specific elements. I'll talk about attributes of all different elements uh, in further videos. So these are elements, and I'll show an example. For example, here we have title. I gave title to the paragraph, and this title will appear as, and now this title is different from this title. Please, this title is a element which gives you the title about the address bar, and this title here, this one is basically gives a tooltip to the paragraph. So just FYI, this title is different from the title we have in the head element. So then we have ID, where we can give ID to any element. It's basically a unique name, unique ID, whatever you can say. So I'll show you how we can see the title tag here, title element attribute here for paragraph. So if we see this web page, we'll see, if you go to the first paragraph. So I gave the title attribute to paragraph element for the first paragraph. So if you look at it here, and if I hover my cursor here, I'll see this tooltip. See, first title attribute. This is a tooltip. This is coming because we gave this attribute to paragraph element. So this is how we use elements. This is how these are what elements are, and this is how we use attributes inside elements. I'll discuss in more detail these attributes and of course elements in my further videos. Thank you.